Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can download the video from OnlyFans. So you can really download right now directly through the program. So what you need to do, you need to some extension recorder on your computer to record the video. So what you want to do, like download OBS or Streamlabs OBS. These two programs are really good for recording. I'm recording the display right now with a Streamlabs OBS. Wait a second. Now I got also the OBS here. Just write in Google, download OBS, and then have just display capture here. So what I will do now is that I'm going to start recording. Play it. Go to post. You can also like play like that. And now when I have it, I will stop recording. And let me show you. Recording. And voila, here you got it. So this is the only way how you can download it if you want to download like all the photos and have like everything you need. And like then what you can do is also edit it in some program, but this is pretty much it how you do it. Like in Sony Vegas, zoom it in, zoom it out. Let me show you. So then you can go like in Sony Vegas, which is really easy. I would add a video here. And what can I do is to like simply maybe even crop it. So give me a second. Properties, maintain loop, gun. So I can like zoom in it like this if you want to, and like really edit it. So this is how we do it, and this is the way how we can actually do it. And it's safe, it's not going to do anything, and you're not going to get any virus to your computer. You know how it goes, you know how it works. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and good